Hey guys, I'm Vidhi from Just Help, and today I'm going to show you how to make street style Chinese Bhel. It's a very quick and easy recipe. So, without wasting any of the time, let's just get started. The ingredients we need are fresh cabbage, Schezwan Chutney, and Chinese save. So yeah, let's get started. Add some save to your Chinese Bhel. Add some cabbage and add some Schezwan chutney. When you add the Schezwan chutney, mix well the mixture till it becomes red. Add more Schezwan chutney if you want. If you want more spicy Chinese Bhel, add more Schezwan chutney. So guys, your Chinese Bhel is ready. It looks tempting. Now you can do your dressing or plating or garnishing your Chinese Bhel. This is our beautiful tempting Chinese Bhel ready to eat.